Hello, friends, and welcome. Oh, am I excited you're here today? Are you ready to play a super fun picture game with me? I thought so. All right, let's get started. Whoa, look at that. So many bright, beautiful colors. What do you see in this giant picture? I see some yummy, juicy fruits and some super crunchy vegetables. It's like a whole rainbow just popped onto the page. All right, first things first, let's play a counting game. Are your pointing fingers ready? Get them out and wiggle them. Okay, I want you to look really closely. How many yellow bananas can you find? Go ahead, point to them on your screen. Let's see.
Did you find them? Yes, that's it. There are two bunches of bananas. Let's count them just to be sure. 1, 2. You did it! Great job! Give me a high five. Whop!
Okay, you ready for another challenge? I bet you are. Okay, this time you're gonna need your super spy eyes. Put them on? Okay, good. Now, can you find all the fruits that are the color red? Look everywhere, up and down, all around the picture. So, did you find them? I bet you did. Let's see what we've got. Yep, there are the red apples. And oh, look, tiny little red cherries. And whoa, what's this? Juicy red pomegranates. And of course, that giant slice of red watermelon. You are an amazing fruit finder. Hooray! You know, seeing all this delicious fruit makes me wanna sing a song. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, let's sing a super yummy mango song together. Oh, look at this, a big, beautiful tree, and it is full of sweet yellow mangoes. Okay, warm up those singing voices. We're gonna sing this one nice and loud, okay? Ready? 5 yellow mangoes hanging on a tree.
1 for the traveler who rests under the tree. Oh, look at the traveler. Could you give a little wave? Hi there, traveler.
1 for the bird who nests on the tree. Oh, a little bird. What sound does a bird make? Let me hear it. Tweet, tweet, tweet. That was great. 1 for the squirrel who runs up the tree. A squirrel. Can you act like a squirrel? Wiggle your nose. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So cute. 1 for you to share with me. Yay! Everybody clap. That was awesome singing. Whew, so much fun. Wow, that was so much fun. You know what? I think we should sing another song. What do you say? Yeah? Okay, this time it's all about apples. Hey, look, it's another big tree. But wait a second. This one doesn't have yellow mangoes on it. It has… what are those? That's right. They're yummy red apples. Okay, are you ready to sing our apple song? 5 red apples hanging on the tree. 1 for the traveler, 1 for the bird, 1 for the squirrel. Hey, you know these words now. Sing along with me nice and loud. 1 for you to share with me. You guys are fantastic singers. And you know what? Both of our songs were about sharing all that yummy fruit. You know, wasn't that so nice of the tree? It shared its yummy fruit with everybody. That's what sharing is all about. It's one of the best ways to be a really good friend. Okay, let's play a little memory game. Can you remember everybody the tree shared its fruit with? Think back to the songs we just sang. All right, let's see if you got it right. The tree shared with the traveler who was resting, the little bird in the nest, the super fast squirrel, and the cute little rabbit. Oh, and don't forget, it shared with you and me too. Wow, what a kind tree. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to think for a second. What's something that you like to share? Maybe you share your awesome toys, or your colorful crayons, or maybe a yummy snack with a friend or someone in your family. It's true, you know. Sharing makes everything way more fun. You guys did such a great job today. Seriously, I am so proud of you. You were fantastic counters, incredible singers, and some of the best thinkers I know. Wow, what a day. We had so much fun with our pictures, didn't we? Let's see, we found all those fruits and veggies, we did some counting, we sang some super happy songs, and we learned all about how wonderful it is to share. So don't forget to be kind, play, and share with your friends every single day. Thank you so much for playing with me today. It was a blast. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.